Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Small kitchen design is a creative challenge that calls for ingenuity and thoughtful planning. In compact spaces, every square inch matters, making efficient use of space a top priority. Here, form and function must seamlessly coexist to create a harmonious and practical cooking environment. One of the key strategies in small kitchen design is optimizing storage. This often involves using every nook and cranny, from installing shelves above the counter to making use of corner cabinets. Drawers with dividers and pull-out pantry organizers can help keep everything in its place, reducing clutter and maintaining a sense of order. The choice of color is also a crucial aspect of small kitchen design. Light, neutral colors, such as whites, creams, or soft grays, can visually expand the space and create a sense of openness. Natural light, if available, should be maximized, while strategically placed artificial lighting, including under-cabinet lights and pendant fixtures, can further brighten the area. When it comes to furniture and appliances, compact and multifunctional options are essential. Smaller appliances and built-in or integrated units help conserve counter space, while fold-down or extendable tables can offer both meal prep and dining areas. Streamlined, handleless cabinetry contributes to a clean, uncluttered look. The layout of a small kitchen is vital in ensuring efficient workflow. The classic work triangle, with the stove, sink, and refrigerator forming a triangular arrangement, remains a practical guideline. However, creative solutions like galley kitchens or U-shaped layouts can maximize storage and workspace. Incorporating open shelving can add both functionality and a touch of style. It allows for easy access to frequently used items, while decorative dishes and cookware become part of the kitchen's decor. Furthermore, a well-placed mirror can visually expand the space and create an illusion of depth. Small kitchens also benefit from smart organizational tools, such as pull-out spice racks, pot racks, and utensil organizers. These details can make a world of difference in keeping the kitchen functional and clutter-free. Ultimately, small kitchen design revolves around the principle of doing more with less. It's about creating an inviting, efficient, and visually appealing space, where every element serves a purpose and contributes to a sense of cohesion. With careful planning and a dash of creativity, a small kitchen can be both a practical cooking haven and a stylish, functional focal point in your home.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!